Designing a PowerPoint by Howard Wilmer. When designing a PowerPoint, the first thing you need to do is figure out what topic you're going to use. What are you going to talk about in your PowerPoint presentation? Next, you need to do your research. What are you going to be saying throughout your PowerPoint presentation? What information are you trying to convey during this presentation? Is it something you know a lot about? Is it something you know a little bit about? Either way, you need to really do your research to create an effective PowerPoint presentation. Next, create an outline of what you are going to say. Once that outline is created, you can start to add in different elements to your PowerPoint or take some things away that you may not need. Next, create a slide deck. With your slide deck, it's going to show what different information is going to be within each slide of your presentation, how you're going to convey that information and what that information means to the audience and why you're telling them what you are telling them. You do want to add in some animation. You don't want it to be just a very plain Jane presentation. It will get boring and nobody will want to see it. Timing is everything. How long is your presentation? How long do you spend on each slide? How long are you spending on a specific topic within that slide? You want to make sure that you're giving them just enough information that they can walk away feeling satisfied but wanting more. In conclusion, to create a PowerPoint presentation, there are several different steps that you need, but the most important, in my opinion, is to know your topic and to do the research on your topic. Thank you.